Oh well, today, wow, I get to go head on down to the dentist again. Let me see, I traveled to Mexico. I had a buttload of dental work there. I get into Bangkok. I get a buttload of dental work there. I get into Cambodia here, and who knows what I'm gonna need for the dental work. So I don't know, maybe I just should stop traveling. Oh no. Believe it or not, this was the street that all the activity was going on for the Khmer New Year. It was just lined with all kinds of things to eat and buy, and it was just great. And the river looks really good. I've never seen the river look like that in person or in videos that I've seen. Okay, now we're heading over the bridge, over the river. That's usually where bridges are at. Well, I guess they could be over train tracks too and stuff. But yeah, it's still got some of the decorations up. And yeah, it was slow going across this bridge during the Khmer New Year. All right, we're still on the way to the dentist office, but just thought I'd show you that I was lucky enough to find a street that has shade. It's very important, shade. Feels okay in the shade. You get out in the sun, I swear it's a 20 degree difference, it seems. And it just really beats down on you. But actually, it's not too bad out here today in the shade, in the breeze. Yeah, you do okay as long as you got those two items. Well, that was the place. Let me tell you what happened. Since how we're on this dentist cruise, just tell you here in just a second. But that's the spot. I'll drop it on the map. Highly recommended. And just hang on a second here. Well, here's how it happened. I walked in. About 25 minutes later, I walked out and I had a filling done on my molar that chipped the other day, and it cost me an entire $15 for the whole thing. And I didn't even need a shot. Why? Because I'm tough.
How tough are you?
I had a bowl of nails for breakfast this morning.
Yes, so?
Yeah.
Without any milk.
Well, I want to show you my new apartment, but no, I'm only going to keep this place for 2 weeks. Got your kind of Western type bathroom. This is what you don't see too often, is a tub here anywhere in Southeast Asia, actually. And here's my kitchen. Gigantic sink. I'm just wondering how many dishes I can stack in that. And two burner stove. Yeah, I can cook my spaghetti sauce and my noodles at the same time. And that's like LP gas. There's a LP gas tank underneath there for refrigerator and a freezer. And I'm fully stocked with things that you need. It looks like a serving for two, so that means I guess I can eat breakfast and lunch. But if I want to eat dinner, then I'm gonna have to do the dishes. I guess my dining room table with an oscillating, really nice fan. It works really good. I have all the windows open right now, and I know it's not a hot day, but it feels really good in here. And they're all really good screens, like brand new screens. They look really good. Oh. And here's my living room. Wait a minute. Okay, my widescreen TV. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of small, but I never watch TV anyways. It's got an air con in here. Yay! Same kind of windows. I'm getting a beautiful breeze in here right now. And the same there, I've got the fan. Lights around, got a sofa and a matching chair, and real big. This is nice. I like that. And the bedroom, and of course a huge bed. I could sleep in any of the cardinal directions. whatever that means. A double armoire, and a real big long table. I'll throw my computer on here and get some frickin' work done. But yeah, screen doors, windows on the outside. So that is the place. They're charging me $12 a night right now because it's only for 2 weeks. It's not on monthly. Although I think he said he wants $300 a month. I'll tell you right now, it may seem big and that may seem cheap, but that's only because, well, it's a little bit big, but I think that's only because the location. It's like right in the heart of kind of things. There's a couple of hearts here in this town, but you know, if I were to go a 5-minute walk in you know, away from the river, at $250 I should be able to get a swimming pool, you know, and almost the size, maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna take my time looking, but that's the place. I know a few people that asked me, they wanted to see this, and I don't know, if he gives me a good deal, I really don't need a pool, but if he gives me a good deal, I'll think about it, but $300 I'm not gonna think at all, no. As always, if you're still here, you're my #1 fans, and that's for sure, and I'm really appreciate that. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a good day the rest of your day, and get weird and have fun. Thank you very much.